In your network security, next topic is block cipher algorithm. In your before only I will explain. In your symmetric encryption algorithm, we can use the encryption data encryption standard and the triple data encryption standard. Everything we can use to search the algorithm. That one we can call it as a symmetric encryption algorithm. In your symmetric encryption algorithm, we can use the block cipher process. Block cipher process means we can use the what are the information or plain text. We can, that input we can fix size block. It is produce the block of ciphertext. It equal size of each plain text block. That one we can call it as a block cipher. What are the information we can send? That one send it in a block way. That one we can call it as a block cipher. Symmetric encryption algorithm or block cipher algorithm. Block ciphers algorithm. What is block cipher? It is the process the plain text input. The plain text input, it fixes size block and we can produce the block of ciphertext. It equal size of each plain text block. That one we can call it as a block cipher. What are the plain text we can send? The plain text input in fixed sized blocks and produces a block of ciphertext of equal size for each plain text block. It means what are the information we can send here. This one is the plain text, this one is the ciphertext. I will send the information. This one, hello. We can use the 5 blocks. 1 2 3 4 5 blocks. Here also what are the information we can get it here. Same 5 blocks we can use. 4 5. It means plain text means original information. Ciphertext means coded information. What are the hello we can send? That code that information will be changed into coded format. It meant hello means it will be converted into 1, then it will be converted into star, then 1 it will be converted into hash, or one will be converted into slash, 0 it will be converted into 0. Like that, what are the information we can send? That original information it will be changed into coded format. That one we can call it as a block cipher. Block cipher means what are the information we can send to sender to receiver. It will be plain text to ciphertext. Information will be exchanged between the fixed sized block. We can use the here 5 blocks means same information or same block we can get it in a ciphertext also. That one we can call it as a block cipher. In your block cipher, we can use the DES algorithm. First one is the DES algorithm. DES algorithm means data encryption algorithm. Data encryption standards. Data encryption standard. In this most widely it will be encryption schema. It based on the data encryption standard. It issued in 1977 as Federal Information Processing Standard. It will be used. Federal Information process standard 46 by the National Bureau of Standard, are known as National Institute of Standard Technology. National Institute of Standard Technology. These guys will be first developed the DES algorithm in 1977. This algorithm itself, it will be referred the data encryption algorithm method used to find out the information. Data encryption algorithm. Data encryption method we can use to build the information. That one, what are the algorithmic data encryption algorithm we can use to find out the information. That one we can call it as a DES algorithm. In your DES algorithm, we can use the description of algorithm. Many decryption of algorithm we can use. What are the information we can send? It means plain text. It will be 64 bit of information we can, it is the maximum 64 bit of information we can send it to the sender to receiver. Minimum in your DES algorithm, maximum of 64 bit of information we can send it to the receiver. Then what are the key we can use? We can, key means secret key or single key we can use. Secret key or single key. Secret key or the single key. Both keys we can use. Why we can use the secret key or single key means private or public information we can send. Private or public information we can send. It means I will send the information to plain text to ciphertext. It means we can use the middle of, we can use the keys. Why? Because we can authenticate to we can see the information, both the sender and the receiver. That is, the key is the most important to access the information. That one is the keys. That key length is, in your key length is 56 bit of length. 56 bit of length we can use. In your longer plain text, all amount of processed always 64 bit blocks. In your DES algorithm, we can structured manner variation of Festal network. It means I will already explain that figure. We can use the plain text I will send, then we can got, then